just arrived here in the Whitsundays from Perth via Brisbane with Jetstar Australia.
We've got some exciting things planned over the next couple of days, and we can't wait to show you why the Whitsundays is a must-see destination.
We are going to be spending the next few nights here at the stunning Coral Sea Resort. With incredible views overlooking the ocean and Airlie Beach being only a short walk away, Coral Sea Resort really is the ideal place to stay, play and explore the natural wonders of the Whitsundays. Staying here, you'll understand why the resort's tagline is "Let the adventure begin. You'll love every moment."
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good.
A must-do here in Airlie Beach is a day out on the water, and the best way to do it is with Cruise Whitsundays. They offer an amazing full-day tour on their impressive purple 85-foot catamaran named the Chimera. It's the perfect way to see the Whitsundays, all while relaxing on the yacht.
As I reach out, reach out, reach out.
We turned off all the motors and put the sail up and we were sailing. It was amazing. So I can say that I've sailed in the Whitsunday Islands. We're coming up to our snorkel spot here at Dumbbell Island. Time to jump into the water and hopefully see some amazing coral.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
We've pulled into Australia's most famous beach, Whitehaven Beach. Without further ado, I'm getting in.
Started with a snorkel. I seen a variety of fish and coral, and then jumped back on and cruised through the Whitsundays channel there. Jumped off at Australia's best rated beach, Whitehaven Beach. Jumped back on, had a lunch cooked for us, and now that the sun's starting to go down, we've anchored up here in front of Airlie Beach and we get to enjoy the sunset.
Ended up seeing some humpback whales, mum and a calf. That was probably a highlight of the day. Had an amazing barbecue, met some awesome people. The crew were amazing, the food was great. What more could you want? How good's this? Head on into Airlie Beach town and soak up the laid-back atmosphere and holiday vibe.
And while you're in town, the best way to cool down is at the local lagoon. Afterwards, head across to Wisdom Cafe to meet the friendly locals and enjoy a cup of coffee with a view.
When you're not out on the islands enjoying the water, there's plenty to do here at Airlie Beach, including come down to Sorrento and get 2-for-1 pizzas between 3 to 4, and also you can grab a frothy while overlooking the marina.
So we've got an exciting day planned today. First up, we are going kayaking. We're here with Salty Dog Kayaking and we're going on a half-day inner island turtle tour. The wind wasn't too bad. We've just kayaked across the channel here, and now we're at White Rock Island. So this is where we have free time to go for a snorkel, check out the island, walk around the rocks, enjoy the sunshine, have a bite to eat. So we've left the ocean, now we're doing some on-land exploring. We're here in Conway National Park and we're about to start the Coral Beach Trail. So this trail is only about 1 kilometre long and it takes you down through the beautiful pines and the national park here, and then it will open up to Coral Beach where you can actually walk along the beach. And there's also another high point called the Beak where you have amazing views of the Chute Harbour and the Coral Beach. So we've got our waters, we've put on sunblock, and we're going to go on our trail walk. Let's go.
So the trail has brought us to the beach, and this is Coral Beach, and you can see why it gets its name. There is just so much coral. It is just beautiful. Absolutely flat day, blue water, sun's out.
Oh my, check out this view. Wow, stunning. They've definitely saved the best to last. Just magnificent.
So that wraps up our amazing visit here at Airlie Beach. Jetstar Australia has helped us escape those winter blues and explore the beautiful Whitsundays.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to find out where Jetstar can take you next.